So today is actually my birthday, March 7th, and I decided to record a get ready with me as I get ready for my festivities. So I am starting out with my lid already set with my Plouise base, and I'm going in with the James Charles palette, and I'm beginning with this first shade in the palette called Rusted, and I'm going to add that to my crease. Shook, which is also a burgundy shade, but it is a shimmer. And I am looking off to the side because I am watching Auntie Jackie's video about the Riviera palette. So I decided to zoom you all in so that you can get a closer look of the eye. And I am just going in with my NYX liquid liner. And for foundation, I am using my Fenty foundation in 380. And I like to go in with the brush first and then blend out for a more seamless finish with my beauty sponge. I'm not sure which brand this one is. And then I do also go in with my Fenty concealer as well. And then I do blend that out with my beauty sponge. And to set that concealer, I'm using my Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. And to set the rest of my face, I'm using my Lancome No Shine setting powder in the shade Deep, and that is that color there. It's a tiny bit too dark for me, but I do like the way that the final look is, so it is very workable. And then I go back in with the two shades Rusted, and then I go in with 518 just below to blend out. And that's adding the 518 shade. Next, as a finishing powder, I'm using this Sephora Microsmooth setting powder. This one is in the shade Tan. This is more closer to my concealer setting. So because that Lancome powder was a little bit too dark, I decided to use that. And then for blush, I'm using my Juvias Place blush in the shade Bella on my cheeks. And then for bronzer, I'm using this Prime Beauty bronzer in the shade Bronzeville, just to carve out my nose. And then for highlighter, I'm using this Ofra Cosmetics highlighter with Nikkie Tutorials collab. It is in the shade Beam the Haters. And now that we are all dressed and put together, let's go ahead and add some lipstick. And I'm just showing you that I do have clothes on. This is my cute little jumper that I'm wearing for my birthday. So for lips, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Stunna lip paint in the shade Unleashed, and I do love me some purple, so I decided to use a purple lip with my look today because my outfit is extremely colorful. And let me mention that I do love this shade. And that is it. That is the final look. And I also did not show on camera, but I did use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dewy Setting Spray. And that is the final look. I hope that you subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.